Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried eggs Runny full guide. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-low, add butter, crack eggs, cover and cook until whites set but yolks remain soft. For thin, crisp edges, swirl butter or oil and baste with a spoon for 30 seconds. Finish with salt, pepper, and a light acid like lemon if desired. I'll guide timing, heat, and serving tips. A good pan and temperature control are the foundation of runny fried eggs. Use medium-low heat and give the pan time to stabilize, about 2 minutes. Non-stick or well-seasoned cast iron works best to avoid sticking and tearing the whites. Keep a lid nearby to steam finish the tops without overcooking yolks. I'll explain exact stove settings, timing per egg, and quick fixes for overcooked whites or firm yolks. Quick recommendation and a small favor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical cooking tips. On another note, the product seen here is the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which upgrades your clean game with voice control and reliable scheduling to free up more cooking time. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make a big difference when aiming for runny yolks. Crack into a bowl first for safer handling and even placement in the pan. Once sizzling gently, cover the pan for 2 to 3 minutes depending on egg size and stove strength. Basting with hot butter or oil for 20 to 30 seconds gives a glossy finish and helps whites set without cooking the yolk. I'll share adjustments for higher heat stoves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.